All right, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Anker Soundcore Life P2 Bluetooth earbuds. So today, what we're gonna do in this video is I'm gonna give y'all a fitting demonstration so y'all will get an idea of how the earbuds look in my ears. So if your ear structure and your head shape is similar to mine, this will give you an idea of how it may potentially look in your ears. And we're gonna do two audio sample tests. The first audio sample test is gonna be a leakage test, and then I'm gonna attempt to give y'all, to the best of my ability, a sound sample. Now, real quickly before we dive in, I just want to do some verifications for everyone. So you can see today we are using my Pixel 2 XL, and you can see we got the copyright free music pulled up. And let me just swipe down on the notification shade here and show you real quickly. So you can see I do have the earbuds connected up to the Pixel 2 XL here. And then let me verify the volume for y'all. So you can see the volume is set to 100%. You can see right there. So just so y'all know how everything is configured. All right. Now, real quickly before we dive into the testing, I just want to give y'all a real quick close-up of the earbuds themselves. So if you would please direct your attention to the B-roll you're going to see up on screen right now. Check that out. Please let me know what y'all think. Now, in terms of the overall build quality and design, I have to say Anker and their Soundcore series or division did a great job. I like the overall look. I like the overall feel. It's a very, very comfortable set of earbuds. So great job, Anker, in terms of the overall look and design. Y'all did a great job. All right. So I hope y'all enjoyed that B-roll. Let's jump into the fitting demonstration now. So I don't know if you guys and gals can tell, but I did have the earbuds in my ears already. So you can see if I get a little closer to the camera, you can see the earbuds are already in my ears. And you can see from a far back standpoint or from further away, you can't even tell I have them in my ears. So the overall look of these, in my opinion, is really, really nice. And the overall feel of these is really, really nice as well. Now, one thing that I want to talk about real quickly is I tested out all the earbud tips and I didn't really find a good fit. So what I did is I went and I got the tips off of my favorite set of earbuds, the Boltune first generation Bluetooth earbuds, and I put them on here, and that is how I ended up getting the absolute best fit. All right. But y'all try those earbud tips out for yourself. Your results may vary. But in terms of the earbud tips, I am using the Boltune large earbud tips on these. All right, just wanted to get that out the way. So let's get into this fitting demonstration. Now, turning to the left, y'all can check it out. Check it out. And I gotta say, it looks pretty good. It feels very lightweight. And honestly, I can't even tell that I have them in my ears. So really, really comfortable fit overall. Let me know what y'all think. Check it out, check it out. Check it out, check it out. Now, turning to the right, same thing. Extremely comfortable, really nice fit. Let me know what y'all think. Check it out, check it out. Check it out, check it out. All right. All right, indeed. All right, so now let's get into the audio testing. Let's start off with the leakage test. So we do have one tap, play, and pause with the earbuds. So let's go ahead and start the music now. And once again, it is set to 100% volume. Here we go. All right, let me know if y'all pick anything up. Again, secondary microphone right here, recording all the audio. Here we go, leakage test. Let's do this. Okay, Anker, I see you. Ooh, all right. All right. Let me not make my chair squeak. Ooh, wee. Whew. Whew. Hold on. Whew. Now that is what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Woo-wee. Yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Now, my thoughts on the overall sound quality, volume, and the bass. Anker has done a great job, okay? In terms of the overall sound quality, it's very crisp, it's very clear, with minimal distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum. Really good stuff in terms of sound quality. Yes, all right? In terms of the volume, once I push play, I can't hear anything but what I'm listening to. The volume on these, top notch. Oh yes, oh yes. And now, for my favorite part, let's talk about the overall bass. Whoo-wee! This is some really good bass on here. Really good overall. Very clean, very sharp, nice and punchy. Now it's missing a little bit of extra punch. I actually feel like the bass on this is a little bit too clean. I kind of want it to be a little bit dirty in my opinion. Just a little muddy to add that extra depth. But the overall bass on these is very, very clean. It's very, very good. So in terms of the overall sound quality, the volume and the bass on these, really good in my overall opinion. All right. Y'all let me know. Did y'all pick up any leakage from the microphone? Okay. Let me know down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. All right. Now let's get into the sound sample test. Let me rewind the video and we're gonna go ahead and push play. And I'm gonna hold it up to the mic. Let me know what y'all think of the overall sound quality for yourselves. Here we go, let me hold it up. Okay, that should do it. All right, so that should do it for the overall sound sample, and that should do it for the overall fitting test, and that about wraps up this video. So once again, this has been a fitting and sound demonstration of the Anker Soundcore Life P2. Please let me know what y'all think of these earbuds down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.